Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious burger buns without an oven. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt in a large mixing bowl. Stir these ingredients together until a soft dough begins to form. If your dough feels too sticky, add a small amount of extra flour, about 1/4 of a cup at a time, until it comes together. Once your dough is formed, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes, working it until it becomes smooth and elastic. Next, transfer the dough to a lightly oiled bowl, making sure to turn it once so all sides are coated. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a clean kitchen towel and let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 1.5 hours, or until it has visibly doubled in size. After the first rise, gently deflate the dough and turn it out onto your work surface. Divide the dough into 6 to 8 equal pieces, depending on your desired bun size. Take each piece and shape it into a smooth, round bun, tucking the edges underneath to create a taut surface. Arrange your shaped buns on a piece of parchment paper, leaving about 2 to 3 inches between each. Cover them again and let them rise for a second time, for approximately 30 minutes. Now for the exciting part, cooking without an oven. Preheat a large, heavy-bottomed pan or griddle over medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. Carefully place your risen buns in the pan, ensuring they have enough space. Cook them for 8 to 12 minutes on each side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once done, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to this book and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, oven-free burger buns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.